everyone. Now we'll see matrix multiplication. As I told you, this is very important, so listen carefully. Okay, let me consider two individuals, A and B. These wants to buy some number of pens and books. Okay, the person A says that he want to buy 3 pens and 2 books, and B says that he want to buy 4 pens and 1 book. And they'll go to one shop and they'll ask the price of each pen and book. Shopkeeper says that the pen cost, each pen cost is 10 rupees and book cost is 20 rupees. Okay, let me consider this one, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. Now, how they'll buy this, okay, number of these pens and books they'll buy. Now, how much amount the first person A has to pay to the shopkeeper? How to find this one? Just you have to multiply number of pens into cost of pen plus number of books into cost of book, right? So this is now A has to pay, that is 3 number of pens into cost of pen plus 2 is the number of books into cost of book is 20 rupees. This is A. And B has to pay number of pens is 4 into cost of pen is 10 plus number of here books is 1 into cost of book is 20. So here A has to pay 30 plus 40, that is 70, and B has to pay, that is 40 plus 20 will be 60. Is it clear? Now this is called the matrix multiplication. Here you can see this one. This is a matrix of order 2 by 2. And this is another matrix. So of order, number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 1. So this is called the matrix multiplication. Now we will consider one more example so that you can understand it better. Let me consider if a matrix A is of order m by n. Okay, A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix of order p by q. Okay, this is the order of matrix. Then product of matrix, that is A and B, multiplication is possible only when the number of columns of a first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of a second matrix, that is n should be equal to p, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. After the multiplication you will get the matrix AB, that will be of order m by q. Remember this one. If it is a matrix A is of order 3 by 2, then B should start with 2 only. Then only the matrix multiplication is possible. If I consider 2 by 4. So this matrix multiplication is possible here. After the multiplication you will get one matrix AB, that will be of order 3 by 4. Is it clear? 3 by 4. We will consider one example so that you can understand it better. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 1. Simple example I will consider A, and we will consider the matrix B as 2, 3, 1 and 4. So this is a matrix A and B. Now what is the order of this matrix? You know that it is 2 by 2, right? Order of this matrix is 2 by 2 and order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Here 2 is equal to 2. Now you have to get one matrix that should be of order 2 by 2. Remember this one. Matrix multiplication is nothing but row to the column. Row to the column. First element will be, you have to multiply first row with the first column. And the second element will be first row with the second column. Is it clear? Third element will be second row with first column. Then second row with the second column. I hope you understood this one. Or we'll multiply this one. I'll explain you how to multiply this one. I told you first row with the first column. So that is now 1, 2 and you have to multiply 2 and 1. That is 1 into 2. I'll write here 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Is it clear? 2 into 1. This is the first element. Second element will be first row and the second column. That is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Is it clear? First row, first will be first row, first column. Second element, first row, second column. Now we will come here. That is second row, first column. That is 3 into 2. That will be now 3 into 2. Listen. Plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Next element will be second row, second column. That is 3 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Is it clear? I'll repeat once again. First row, first column, and first row, second column. Then second row, first column, second row, second column. I hope you understood this one. So this is now multiply. 1 into 2 is 2, plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next element 3 plus 4 into 2 is 8. Next element 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1. Next element is 9 plus 4. So this is equal to, now add this one. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is the multiplication of A and B, and that should be of, I told you that it should be of order 2 by 2. So this is the matrix of order 2 by 2. I hope you understood this one. Or else what you can do is, here, see, this is of order 2 by 2 and this is also 2 by 2, right? You have to get the matrix should be of order 2 by 2, right? 2 by 2 matrix means it should be contain 2 rows and 2 columns, right? What you can do, we'll write the element. 2 rows means that will be A11 and A12. Next will be A21 and A22. Now here A11, that means first row and the first column. First row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. Here first row, second column. Is it clear? This is second row and first column. This will be second row and the second column. In this way also you can solve, or directly you can go with this method. I hope you understood this one. We'll solve some more problem. Okay. Now we'll see the next problem. A is equal to 6923 and B is 260798. Find AB. I mean you have to find the product of a matrix. Can you say what is the order of this matrix? This is of now 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 by 2, and this is of matrix order 2 rows and number of columns is 3. Right? Here you can see this number of columns of a first matrix is equal to the number of rows of a second matrix. 2 is equal to 2. Now the matrix multiplication is possible. Otherwise the matrix multiplication is not defined. Now after the multiplication you have to get some matrix that should be of order 2 by 3. Right? The product of AB should be of the order 2 by 3. I mean number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. Now we'll multiply this one. As I told you, you have to multiply rows to the columns. Right? Rows to the columns. What will be the first element? First row and the first column. Second element, first row, second column. Third element, first row, third column. Right? We'll multiply that. That is 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. First element. Second element, first row, second column. That is 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9. Right? Third element, first row, last column. That is 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8. Now the second row will be second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. We'll multiply this 2 into 2. Right? Second row, first column, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. Next will be 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. Next will be 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8. Is it clear? First row, first column, then first row, second column, first row, third column. Similarly with the second row. I hope you understood this one. Now just the simplification. This is 6 into 2 is 12. 9 into 7 is 63. 6 into 6 is 36 plus 9 into 9 is 81. So this is 0 plus 72. And here this is 4. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 7 into 3 is 21. So this is now 12 into 27. This will be 0 plus 24. Now we can simplify this. Right? So this is now 63, 73, 75. Right? So this is now 81, 136 will be 117. So this will be now 72. So this is now 25, 27, 37, 39. Right? So this is now 24. Is it clear? This is the product of A and what is the order of this matrix? Number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. right? This is a 2 by 3 and we got the 2 by 3 matrix. I hope you understood this one. We'll solve one more problem. Now we'll see the next problem. It is given that A matrix and B matrix is given. Find AB and BA. Show that AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. You have to show this one. That means the matrix multiplication is not commutative, right? If it is AB is equal to BA, then only we can say that multiplication is commutative. But here the matrix multiplication is not commutative. First we'll find AB, then we'll find BA, then we'll check whether they are equal. And this problem is important for 5 mark. Okay, this is a 5 mark problem. First we'll check the order of this matrix. We have to multiply A and B. What is the order of this matrix? Number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. Right? This is matrix of order. Number of rows is 3 and number of columns is 2. So 3 and 3 are equal. So after the multiplication, the matrix AB should be of order 2 by 2. Is it clear? The AB should be of order 2 by 2. Now we'll multiply. So this is a matrix A and this is a matrix B. So AB will be equal to now. So first row, first column, that will be 1 into 2. First element 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Is it clear? This is the first element. Second element, first row, second column, that is 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Is it clear? First element and the second element. Third element will be second row, first column, that is minus 4 into 2, right? Plus next will be 2 into 4 plus next will be 5 into 2. Next one, second row and the second column, that is minus 4 into 3 plus this is 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. I hope you are understanding this one. Okay. So this is equal to now AB. 1 into 2 will be 2 minus 8 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Here this is now 3 minus 2 into 5 will be 10 plus 3. So this is now minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 plus 4 into 2 is 8 plus 5 into 2 is 10. That will be minus 12 plus 10 plus 5. Is it clear? Okay, so this is equal to now minus 8 plus 8. This will be equal to 0. So this is now 6 minus 10 will be, this will be minus 4. Right? Plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled. This is now 10. So here this is minus 2 plus 5. This will be equal to 3. I hope you understood this one. The matrix is of order. We have to find the matrix of order 2 by 2. Understood? So we got the matrix AB of order 2 by 2. This is not completed, right? This problem is not completed. Now you have to find BA. Place is not there. So I will erase this one. Next we will find BA. Now we have to multiply B and E. For that reason, first better you write B first. Okay. So B is now 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 2, 1. This is a matrix B. And matrix A is, that is 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2 and 5. I hope you understood this one. First you write B matrix, then you write the matrix A. What is the order of this matrix? Number of rows is 3, number of columns is 2. Here number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. Here you can see this one. Number of columns of a first matrix is equal to number of rows of a second matrix. What should be the order of the new matrix BA? BA should be of order 3 by 3. Here only we can say that AB is not equal to BA. Right? Because we got the matrix AB is of order 2 by 2. But here we are getting the BA of order 3 by 3. So the matrices are not equal. Just will prove this one. Okay. So this is now I can write first row, first column. Yes, we will multiply B into A is equal to first row, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. First element, second element 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Next will be 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 into 5. Okay. Next will be second row, first column, that is 4 into 1. Second row, first column, 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. Next will be 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. Next will be 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. I hope you are getting this one. Next will be last row and the first column, last row, second column, last row, third column. We will multiply this one. This will be now 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. Next 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Next will be 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. Is it clear? Now just you have to simplify. So this will be equal to now 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 4 is minus 12. Next element minus 4 plus 6. Next will be 6 plus 5, 3, 15. This will be now 4 minus 20. Right, so this will be now minus 8 plus 10. And here this is 12 plus 25. So this is now 2 minus 4 and this is 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 2 and that will be 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 into 5 is 5. I think you can simplify this, right? So this will be equal to now 2 minus 12 is minus 2 and the minus 4 plus 6 is 2 and here 6 plus 15 is 21 and this will be, what is this, 20, right? Yeah, 4 minus 20 will be minus 16. So this is minus 8 plus 10 is 2 and this is 12 plus 25 will be 37. So this is now 2 minus 4 is minus 2 and this is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 and here, so this is, yeah, correct, 6 plus 5 is 11. So this is a matrix BA. So here we can say that AB is not equal to BA. I hope you understood this one. This is an important one. You have studied that matrix multiplication is not commutative. That is, AB is not equal to BA. But there are some cases AB will be equal to BA. That is, if it is the matrix A and B are, if the matrix A and B are diagonal matrix. If it is a matrix A and B are diagonal matrix of same order, both the matrix should be of same order, then matrix multiplication will be commutative. That is, AB is equal to BA. Actually, AB is not equal to BA if it is a diagonal matrix of same order. What is meant by diagonal matrix? Only the diagonal elements will be present and non-diagonal elements will be 0. That means that should be in a square matrix. If I consider A is equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 2. This is a diagonal matrix of order 2. This is now 2 by 2 matrix. I will consider B is equal to 4, 0 and 0, 4. Okay. So this is also diagonal matrix of order 2 by 2. This is the diagonal elements are present, remaining 0. Diagonal elements are present, remaining 0. Now if you multiply these two matrices, then it will be AB is equal to B. Okay. Just if you want, you can check this one. Okay, actually the matrix multiplication is not commutative, but if it is a diagonal matrix of same order, here if you consider 2 by 2, here it should be 2 by 2. We can't go with 3 by 3, okay, because that multiplication is only not possible, right, because here 2 is not equal to 3. So of same order, then AB will be equal to B. I hope you understood this one, important one.